America Makes is a public-private partnership. We are partially funded by the DoD, partially funded by the private sector to move this additive manufacturing technology forward. To date, we have over 225 member organizations. So as part of that membership, those 225 organizations get access to what we call the digital storefront, which is our Teamcenter deployment. It's the Active Workspace client. Inside of there, to date, we have over $110 million of research. The Department of Defense has some very strict standards in reference to what they want to see in security. We're pushing our direction into the cloud deployment because it gave us that security. It gave us that ability to scale. We needed to be able to grow as necessary, and elastic government clouds or elastic clouds out there work very well. A lot of the cloud scenarios have built-in security protocols that are already compliant with DFARS and FedRAMP. Amazon Web Service provides a plethora of tools to really optimize the power of Teamcenter.